Sanibonani futhi babukeli abathandi bayi-WTV ngithi uProfessor Siyamlikhuleni inyanga monyanga ukuthi kodwa inyanga kutusisa inyanga yakubhasiswa ngqondo ndekuyaba kayina nilani sanovalelisa abantu eseyofika amabhedo sokusele nje shawo yokuKB muka ka wena nami nangisala kamina nami ngisalela ngihlala khona nginaye phela uMaluma Karabo Bunolo udirile sihlezi kamnandi la ukukhathala nje kuphela okusiphethe ngoba since iviki liqalile solo sihleli la esitulweni sisukuma nje ngokuthi siye bathroom ngizile nayo le ndoda njengoba ibirthday yami iza ngalosithathu kuyibirthday yami njengomhla ka3 July ngila ngoba khona ngivuselela izinto zabantu nyoba khona ngiphakamisa izinto zabantu seleshe ngakobra KB ngibonge kakhulu ngisaphinda ngiyabonga ngiyagitsa but asikho lapha. Welcome to Tabula Ba.
Yeah, Prof, thanks for welcoming me back. Quickly, Prof. Most of Italos are housekeep. When you do everything like her, you feed them, you do whatever, and all those things. When you rent out Ama boys, Ama money, you take care of everything like when you give someone. Why ungafuni abantu bafide Italo zakho mabafika ekhaya? Is it dangerous? What's the reason? Because as Ninyanga will tell you no. We must feed it maybe twice a week or well, most of the time I will food it. Why is that the case?
Hey, yeah. As long as I figure, nala ungamcabangeli ukuthi angafika ukuthi mara or suka hlala mcabangeli or suka yenza njani angimazi. All right, timphendula umbuzo. KB 1 abantu singabantu asikho asikwazi ukuziphatha ngendlela efanele so that ungakwazi ukuphakela ibhobo ne 1 like ama boys afuna ukuthi adla ube uwabhekile so that akwazi ukusutha manje 1 umuntu athi ngifuna ama boys but angifuni kwabona nyawasaba so angeke akwaphakela ama boys because omunye ngamngena naye ngathi kuze ngistop angena naye ngathi khuluma namadlu sorry hey ya ngangena naye bracket B ngathi ngena nabo ke phela athi mina ngwasabi mina ngisabi lutho noma ngavela njani avela labantu mabavela labantu indoda yaqhama yesuza yenza yonke imhlolo la endumbeni ndoda usesekahle athi ang right mara mangithi ngiyabona amanzi ageleza kunzima so amangicadela ukuthi mara so uyobaphakela njani athi prof I didn't know ukuthi lezi zinto zikanje so ngicela uyenze yonke into since then mangibona le ndoda yenza ngalendlela yenze ngayo ngama omunye wathi mina ngibamba inyonga mina ngeke ngisabe botokoloshi bakho wena prof ngithi ngathi mangena nayo ngase nginalalela minuko yibantu mangayibona ukuthi bangifakela siqitho cabanga umuntu asheka azishekela kuba nzima so all right I did end up saying to myself no
but then I didn't even see them uzwe bamba
wenda
bamba inhloko
hey wabona ukuthi weyikhona indoda ikabi imali ubamba lesandla yozokuthi lesandla kusiso umuntu ophilayo all right
yeah that wasn't bad
yeah so ingako bracket B I end up no ithwalo zami I will feed them myself and then also to protect that person remember izinto masifuna ukudla zifuna ukudla ipercent phela mina ezami izinto awukuhamba ukuthi umuntu athi ngunike isigubhu sempumelelo but you must go eShoprite buy thenga ehani come and feed it ehani feed it eShoprite uyothola lento yakhona bese kucinile ukuthi rwa so akusesesithwala lo manje kucinile so ngeke ukuthi uphakele into iphakele ehani so ngabona ukuthi nezinye izinto abakhona ukuthi ngazenza bona bazenze obazithola but for me
and you can't explain to isipoko ukuthi lento lezi
ayikho
ehani yase Pick n Pay ebayenze ngomshini
uyayibona so akufuneka izinto ezinjalo kufuneka the pure things and then sibayinikeze ezi right sikwazi ukufika zivuke zidle zisuthe zibuyele lapha zidle zisuthe sikwazi ukusebenza my reason is that angeke ufike lo muntu omunye futhi KB hayi ngani ngamenzela ngathi okay what you need to do uzothatha ufaki but mawufaka le oil le uzothatha utshwala ufake eceleni wathatha lezi zinto konke wamixa ufake phakathi zaqala lezi zinto zabuya zaqala kwaphela umndeni so ukuze kunga affecteki abantu kulimale nabantu abangazi lutho ngoba vele wayishisa mayivuka lapha destroy everything eyithola lapha eJardini ufana ukuthi ungiphakele ngithe mina lento idla umdoko ubandayo wena uyifakele umdoko oshisayo idle lo mdoko oshisayo endape lapho ngithola umuzi wami ushile olokubhongeke yonke into nami sefendleleni sengiyahlanga so that is why ngithi I will take the responsibility yokufita yonke into esuka la ekhaya
i-criticism abanye abantu maba criticize ngale technique yakho or lento yenza bathi wena you want to still maintain control over abantu abathathe ithwalo zakho. That is why you want to control them from indumbeni yakho. Is that true? I'm just talking about the criticism.
Yo, hey, the question is shy.
It's not the first time Uzwa is this criticism. Now is way. But wants to control us from indumbeni yakhe. That is why I nigga. But nenya ezikhulumile zeyazi.
Is it kanti uma ngithwalisa umuntu KB lo muntu very obvious kumele abe under my control because of anything that will happen to that person I'm the one must fix everything, take my things and then to do something vele kumele ahlale under my control.
So
yavuka ngeke nginike umuntu inyoka mase mkaka le nyoka afile I'm the one, the family must take that snake come back with it to me. So every sithwalo vele wathatha isithwalo kumele uhlala wazi ngihlekiswa yini ngihlekisa ukuthi kunendoda yathi prof uyazi uma ukhuluma wathetha wathi 1 2 3 kunyakaza inhlanga zami emzimbeni wakho ngathi sinako kunyakaza inhlanga zakhe emzimbeni wakho yezani ene ngaqala ngathetha ongakhuluma kabi vele kuzonyakaza ngani ngoba ngikwatile lepho kuzonyikizeka emzimbeni wakho so I am in control.
Okay. So in short, you do it to save abantu their hassle,
yes.
Also keep them safe.
Yeah.
Because you cannot mess up with certain things.
Thank you, sir.